In today's video, I'll be maxing out one of my subscribers' bikes completely for free. And the best part is, he has no idea. All I said was, bring your bike to my house and I promise that it will be worth it. Now he's outside in just a couple of minutes, so let's meet him up and see what he has to say. Okay, so Blue Goblin just arrived and we got the bike here. Let's check it out. Ooh, okay, is it, I need to know, is it a 2024 or 2025 model?
The 2024 is it?
Okay, we got the bike right here. It actually looks so beautiful. But do you trust me that I'm not gonna destroy your bike fully?
No, I think it's the bike is in good hands. Yeah.
Okay, alright. I told Blue Goblin, I was like, bring your bike. I cannot tell you anything more, but just trust me with this. Bring your bike. I'm gonna do something fun to it, and I promise that you will like it. So yeah, let's just load off the bike then. Now what's really nice with this bike is that the bike is completely ready. All it needs is graphics, maybe an FMF sticker, some wheel graphics, and then it's pretty much set. So before we start working on this bike, let's take a quick look at the beautiful graphics kit that we have in store for this bike. So one of the nice things that we're gonna do on this bike is, of course, shout out Bold Designs, maxed out Bold graphics kit. Now this is extremely special because it has the full holographic print, it has hand laid yellow fluo, and the silver glitter finish. It's the first time that I see this kit, and why I chose to design it like this is because this subscriber called Blue Goblin, he has always had this color combo, but he always used like the regular materials, so never the full holographic print, never the glitter finish, as far as I know. So I wanted to make something extremely special, and this is what we came up with. We also have wheel graphics for him. We might choose these fluo yellow wheel graphics or these matching full holo print graphics. And I'm here with my boy Eke.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Let's
He's gonna be helping me out with building the bike. Now you might also be wondering, why did I do it for this subscriber? I've always wanted to make something like give back stuff to, you guys who support my videos. And then I was like, who can I help rebuild their bike? And I was like, I need to do it to someone that lives close, so I'm able to do it. And then I remembered that there's one guy called Blue Goblin. I remembered that he had a ton of Gebel stickers. So I was like, that's my boy. Like he's repping the Gebel logos. So I was like, let's do it to this guy. And if you guys like this type of video, then I 100% will continue to surprise even more of you guys. So let's surprise this guy. It's gonna be absolutely wild. I always say it in all my videos, but one thing that's really important before you install your graphics kit, at least this is what I do. I use something called brake clean. It's meant for the brakes, but what it does is that it removes all of the fats. So what I do is that I spray it, usually like on some paper, but now I'm using this microfiber cloth, and I'm rubbing it against the plastics. And what this does is that it removes this like glossy layer on top, and it makes the graphics kit stick a lot better. So recommendation from Gebel, this is what I always do. If it works out like shit, please don't kill me. Like, don't even listen to my advice. Actually, don't listen to my advice, but this is what I do before I install any graphics kit. So let's do it. Now, do not ever do this to your carbon fiber parts. You will like matte out the whole carbon fiber part. So I only do it to the plastics, guys. Listen. Let's start installing the graphics kit. Yeah, guys. 100%. What do you think? I definitely think that this is an upgrade.
So this is my way of applying. When you got some experience, this is a pretty good method.
We do not recommend applying it like this. What we recommend, take out like half of the backing paper, cut it off, and not pull off the whole backing paper. Now we're using a heat gun. But guys, it's really important to not use it too much if you have like chrome on your graphics kit, because if you use it too much, the chrome effect will get destroyed.
Here is a pro tip for me to not fuck up your fingers after applying them.
Damn,
use your hoodie, for example.
Hey, that's true.
Then you can just flow better on the graphics and push out all the air.
One thing that's also really nice on this bike is that it has a black FMF. On my 450, the FMF is blue. I mean, it also looks really nice, but I really like this blacked out FMF version. It's very like stealthy, but still has that nice carbon end. It looks really clean. Okay, we got the, what is it even called?
Fork arts.
Fork arts, there we go. Okay, blacked out one. Completely original versus, oh my god, holographic, all that stuff.
Yeah, this looks so much more better.
It looks so much better. Okay, so this is what I always do. You guys know, I take it down a little bit. I just cut off this part. And then I'm able to like touch the plastics with these pieces right here and still not mess anything up. So I just align front fender and then it's all set and done. So we just peel off the rest. This, line it up here, and then we take this one and we peel it off. Look guys, it's so easy. Bruh! Okay, this is the final result. I'm leaving it like this. Ooh, okay, we finished it. It looks so much better now. Okay, now this is actually like, how do we fix this? I don't even know, bro.
I think we should remove that first.
This?
Yeah. Let's remove it, apply the decal.
Yeah, actually,
that first.
yeah, that's smart. Yeah. Bro, I was just testing you. Of course I was gonna remove it. Bro, it was just a test. Bro, how do I even line it up?
I think we should start
Like this, and then I just cut off this piece. Okay, so this is the fun part. When we were designing this, me and Eke, we was like, all right, let's get a scrape counter. So here, bro can't scrape. All right, my G. God damn. And this is like, I don't even know what this is, but bro is still at bro can't scrape. But you got it, bro. I promise you, you got it, okay? We don't want to remove his thing. There we go. I could have made it nicer, but alright, fuck it. It's gonna get scraped down anyways. At least I hope he's gonna scrape it over. What do you think?
Yeah, for sure. You have to scrape it.
Otherwise, it's like, bro can't scrape, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
You can't leave it at that point.
Yeah. He has this on, so he will never be able to get it here. It will always be at bro can't scrape. Nah.
Personal insult all the time.
Oh, he's fucked. He can't. Look, because this thing, it does so that the plastics cannot get destroyed.
It's perfect. Check the spacing between the
Hey! Now with this piece, for you guys that have like the newer models, they have the 24 model, 25 models. Like, you know, you can just place it on like this, but it will not look nice if you just, you know, do it quickly like this. Like, you need to use heat and like truly press out the air, and then at least it will look a little bit better like this, you know. Now of course you can make it better if you want, but yeah, it's still like, yeah, it's pretty dope.
1 hour later.
As you can see, it looks so much better. So I used the heat gun just a little bit to warm it up, and it just gives that complete look with the graphics kit. So in my opinion, I think it's pretty dope to finish up plastics with this piece right here, because some people, they actually don't use this piece, but I think it looks pretty nice. So now applying the FMF graphics, super easy, just like this.
It's gonna look great.
Okay, the final thing. We're tired now. But we keep pushing. Okay. The final thing is the wheel graphics. So we have two options. Either we can match the graphics kit with matching full holographic print, silver glitter finish on these wheel graphics, or we can go with fluo yellow wheel graphics. So let's go and compare and see which will look the best on the bike. Should we do this or this yellow? Damn, I don't know. It actually looks sick with the yellow. You know what we do? Bring your phone up. Let's check what color he had before on his wheels.
Yeah, sure.
He had yellow. Let's see. Wait. Yeah. Let's do yellow. Yeah. Let's match his old bike. Let's do yellow. Yeah, it's gonna look really nice. I have one thing left that we're gonna do for him. It's the final thing. We gotta prank him, okay?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so follow me. I will show you what my idea is. It's gonna be crazy. You guys will find out very soon what I'm doing. Some ashes, okay? You guys will understand soon. Okay, so we got the bike right here, all right? But we're gonna place some ashes right here, and then we're gonna put this over. And you guys will find out very soon why I did that. The day after we finished the bike, I told Blue Goblin, the subscriber we're surprising, to come and check it out. But before he arrived, I also invited a few friends to see his reaction. Yo! What up? Okay, we got my bro NTK here. Yo. Hey, Kianin is also here. You know what you're doing? No. You have already seen the bike, so...
No, which bike?
Okay, exactly, yeah. We're reacting to the SX65. NTK will give a fake reaction. Kianin will give a real reaction.
No, but I haven't seen it.
Ah, okay, I haven't seen it. But, alright, we're taking... It's actually garage reveal and SX65 reveal at the same time. Okay, you ready? This is not SX65. Nah, it's not for you. But check it out.
The garage looks so fucking good.
I know, it's crazy.
Last time I saw it, that was completely different.
Yeah, but the question is, what looks best, the garage or the SX65?
Yeah, oh my god, both.
Okay, okay.
And the core matches.
Yeah, I know, the car is crazy.
Moments later.
Do you know what I've done to your bike?
My first guess was like maybe a photo shoot or something.
Okay.
He wants to have my bike for a project, but I don't know what. So I was like maybe a photo shoot, maybe I have no idea.
Okay, so we're opening it up and you're gonna see something now, but you're not gonna see exactly what it is, okay? So there is one bike under here, okay? And you might think, that's my bike. You cannot enter any further, okay? You know, like I uploaded a video, like stark durability test, you know? So this is the thing, I needed a bike for part 2. And you're like, what the hell is under here, you know? So I wanted to do like part 2 and we took it a bit too far. This is what's left of your bike, some ashes. And this is what you get.
Oh,
so
thank
it's
you.
like certification.
Yeah.
Blue Goblin's KTM nuclear bomb test. Result successful. So you don't need like your van. You didn't need to like.
No, but I need to strap this down.
Yeah. Okay. So no. Okay. So what we actually did. Look, I've always wanted to drive a bike in like water, you know, and we have a lot of salt water here. So your bike is a little bit rusty, but you got this Blue Goblin's KTM underwater test, saltwater, and it was yesterday, yeah. So
Okay.
so I'm gonna bring your bike back. Are you ready to see it? It's a little bit rusty, but are you ready? Okay, let's do it.
Holy shit! Is this my bike?
Yeah, it's your bike.
Yeah, you're sure?
Yeah, 100%. A little bit different than when you left it. What do you think?
I have no words for it. Holy shit!
It looks nice, right?
It's really fucking good.
So it's all yours. It's all yours. And you know, I have one thing left for you, okay? This is, okay, it's not as big of a gift, but you also get a custom bar pad graphics, you're getting some stickers and some extra wheel graphics, okay? And, you know, I actually forgot something. And it's all free, of course. Once again, sponsored by Bold Designs. So huge shout out to Bold Designs. They got the best graphics in the game. A lot of like motorcycle parts, whatever. They sponsored this completely. You know, when I saw this bike, I was like, fuck, maybe I should make my bike this color. So congrats.
Yeah,
Congrats. So I was like, the title would be like, surprising one of my subscribers with something. The question is, if you search on Gebel right now, are you subscribed to the channel? That's the real question.
I should be.
If you're not, we gotta tear off the graphic. Okay, if you're not, it's okay. But okay, we go.
Yup.
Yes. Okay, that was close. I was like, imagine if he's not even subscribed. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks